Hey guys, hi, I'm Nishant Puri. I'm a chartered accountant by profession, and I've been making videos for and some sessions and everything for students who are primarily pursuing chartered accountancy course in India. And I've been doing these sessions with Neeraj Arora, who happens to be a chartered accountant. He's doing amazing work for the students and community and for chartered accountants, for other courses and everything. So together we did launch one Facebook page called Super Excel Training for CA students, and sometime back we also launched this one paid course on this one application owned by him, which is called Edu91, and so that course was basically launched in a mix of Hindi and English, and we launched it there at so if you want to buy those sessions, by all means, go and download the app and buy the session, which is recorded in a mix of Hindi and English. And you can access that and you can practice Excel, and hopefully you'll get to know some part of Excel. It's huge actually, so it's very difficult to bundle it up as a course and sell it out and make videos or sessions on it. Now, so this is one colleague of mine who needed some help with Excel, and so I started recording some sessions for him. He's based out in the US, and so he would not be able to understand Hindi, of course. So I made some sessions in English, and I just thought that since I've already made those sessions, maybe I can just upload them on YouTube for those of you who are comfortable with English and would like to access this course or these sessions, just want to view those sessions for your knowledge base or something, go ahead, give it a shot. If you like it, good. If you get benefited out of it, nothing better than that. If you know somebody who needs it, pass it along. No need to like, subscribe, comment. In case you need any help, by all means, write a comment. I'll reach out to you. In case you want to reach out to me, I'll be giving my number, contact number, email address, Gmail ID, Gmail, Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter. You can reach out to me by all means. WhatsApp, Telegram, anything would do, and I'll be there to help you. Anything related to chartered accountancy. So feel free to reach out to me. And without much ado, this course again, because I was making it for a person based out in the US, so there will be a lot of accent coming up. I'm not too much, but yes, at places we do want to you do use some accent, not because you're fancy. It's just that you want the other person to feel more comfortable while viewing the videos, right? So if I say something in a particular manner, so just ignore that entire thing. I think this would help you to somewhat understand how exactly we use Excel, because I've also included some of the basic nitty gritties of the Excel. What's text, what's number, what's left alignment, center alignment, right alignment, stuff like that, which is very basic. What exactly is Excel designed for? How is it different from a PowerPoint, from a word processor, from an Access? So stuff like that. It's quite informative in my opinion. So go ahead, give it a shot, and hopefully you like it. And again, I'll give my contact details. Feel free to reach out to me and contact me whenever you need me. With that thing in mind, please be bit. Don't be ruthless and don't be too harsh. If you don't like it, I get it. If you like it, that's the only incentive I'm gonna get. It was there with me. I thought it would help you, so I'm putting it out. Be kind. Thank you. Best of luck.